are going to Lansing for lunch. They wanted to go eat at the lobster shack. We were just driving there for lunch. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. Is this his dick? Huh? Hey y'all, what's good? I'm back again with another vlog, y'all. Are y'all sick of my vlogs yet? Should I start doing something else? Yes, I think yes. I'm working on it. But welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to Lansing for lunch, or Cervantes actually. Jay wanted to go eat at the lobster shack because we went there a while ago with my family, and so yeah, we want to go to the lobster shack. So we're just driving there for lunch. He's just filling up right now. Just got my nails done. Look how cute. I wish I'd got black friendship. I don't know what I was thinking when I said black friendship, but it's so cute. Natural nails, girl. These are my natural nails, y'all. But yeah, they're so pretty. Of course, by my girl Beam. You know, she always kill it every time. Every damn time. It also matches my fit. Like, look. I can't even see. Look, they match my fit. Like, look at the flames. Isn't that cool? But that's not focusing. Hello. Peep the fit though. I'm wearing Hellstar trackies, black bando, easy slides, and my Prada. So you know, I had to put that shit on. Ooh, girl. Yeah, cute. But yeah, it's currently I think almost 12. We get there around like 1:30. We're in Joondalup right now. I got my sunflower seeds because I went to dinner with my co-worker. So we went out for dinner for some Asian food. We had some hot pots and some shaved ice cream for dessert, and then we went to some Asian stores. I had to get my sunflower seeds because, you know, look at my teeth gems, y'all. I'm still obsessed, but look at this handsome man. Hello, sir. You know damn well you're gonna take the only one that doesn't have chocolate. We on the way. So yeah, I'll update y'all soon. nice. We'll see, we'll find a nice area. So many flowers. Like a party or something. No, this is like the reserved area for like parties and stuff. We just made it. Joy's getting the menu and then we're gonna order up. Jay just ordered, so we got the seafood platter. We upgraded it to a full lobster so we can both have half. And we got chili mussels and we got our drinks. I got a passion fruit cocktail. Jay got a beer. And yeah, look at the view, it's pretty. Chili mussels came. Ooh la la. That looks good, yeah. Bussin'. That smells nice, yeah. So we got chili mussels and then we're just waiting for our fruit platter. We had one. I'm gonna put it on the bread. We're gonna get like 3. Make sure to lick the sauce off the mussel as well. Cheers!
You like it?
Yeah, the sauce is so good. Platter came. Look at this. This thing is so good. But we got full lobster, fish and chips. Oh, look at those oysters, squid, sauce. Oh my gosh. And we devoured the mussels. I just kept it because the sauce is good. So I might have it with some of the seafood. But yeah, we gonna devour those. You know us. You know me. And Ray's just ordering another beer. We're gonna have the oyster. It's like barbecue. It's got bacon in it. I've never had like barbecue oysters.
Tastes like barbecue. Like seafood and barbecue.
Not. Lobster. So yesterday was our anniversary. Well, 1 year, 11 months. So Jay wanted to come here again. Some chowder. Shit. Look at that shit. Is this a dick? Let me try this with the chili mustard sauce. I'm just gonna bring in some chips. Anyways, y'all, we're gonna eat and we'll get back to y'all. Peace. Hey y'all, we made it home after like 2 hours of driving. I'm gonna end the video off here. And yeah, today was a very short video, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was a nice little treat for us. Definitely worth the drive if you'll ask. And there's also stuff that you can do around the area too, like lots of sightseeing places, lots of nice beaches, and they do have the buggies and I always forget what they call them. ATVs and sand dunes and stuff. And a lot of people go 4-wheel driving in the sand dunes and all that. But yes, we didn't have 4-wheel drive, we didn't. So yeah, we just went purely for lunch.